Hey there, privacy enthusiasts. Today we're going to explore how to configure custom DNS settings with a VPN for enhanced online privacy and security. We'll use the Napster VPN application and UDP Custom's Slow DNS feature. Let's get started. Step 1. Install Napster VPN. Begin by finding the Napster VPN application in your App Store, Play Store, or App Store. Download and install it onto your device. Once installed, launch the app. Step 2. Find and configure Slow DNS with UDP Custom. Open a web browser and search for UDP Custom. This website provides a way to configure custom DNS settings. Locate the menu icon, usually 3 horizontal lines, in the top right corner of the UDP Custom website. Click on the Slow DNS option from the menu. Step 3. Choose a Slow DNS location. Select a location that suits your needs by clicking on the Select Location button. Step 4. Create your Slow DNS server. Enter your desired username and password on the account form page. Complete the CAPTCHA challenge. Click on the Create Server button. Step 5. Save your server details. You can either copy all the server details provided or select specific ones that you want to retain. Step 6. Configure your Napster VPN. Return to the home screen of the Napster VPN app. Click on the Configs option on the left side of the screen. Click on the plus icon, plus, in the top right corner of the Config section. Select Add Config manually from the list of menus. Click on SSH Config in the next menu. Step 7. Select SSH DNST protocol. Choose SSH DNST from the protocols list. Step 8. Name your configuration. Enter a name for your configuration. This will make it easier to identify in the future. Step 9. Enter DNST server details. Fill in the DNST server details, including the SSH server port, username, and password. These are the details you received when you created your Slow DNS server in Step 4. Step 10. Connect to your VPN. Go back to the home screen of the app. Click on the Connect button to establish your VPN connection using the configured settings. Don't forget to join us on our Telegram and WhatsApp channels for ongoing support and insights, which you can find linked in the description. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more valuable content, and feel free to leave a comment if there's anything you didn't quite understand. We're here to help. Thank you for your attention and enjoy your secure browsing experience.